Hi ladies, have you ever wondered if a man is truly emotionally investing in you or if he's just sort of enjoying the moment? I get it. It can get really murky out there in dating and a relationship. And as a coach who's worked with thousands of women around their connections with men, I'm here to tell you, while he may not necessarily express directly that he is falling in love with you, there will be signs. There will be indicators and cues that he is deepening his feelings for you. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing 7 signs in the order they show up, of a man who is deepening his feelings for you and becoming emotionally hooked in you. And you're definitely going to want to stay tuned towards the last one because it is the biggest one of them all. But before we dive into the video, be sure to take a second, hit that little subscribe button, and you're definitely going to want to click the link down in the description and up at the top of this video because I have an amazing free live love course coming up called Mastery of Connection. We start February 17th. This is going to be a 3-week live training to help you transform your relationships with men and everyone else in your life from the inside out. We're going to be diving into your beliefs around relationship, your attachment style, your personality type, and all the ways that you connect with men through over 15 video lessons and over 50 hours of live coaching with me. So it's an incredible value. And again, it's absolutely free. So take a second to apply, and don't worry if it's after February 17th, because we will either put you in the live course as it's going on or put you on the wait list for our next one. So now without further ado, let's dive into the video. Now, number 7 is a fun, subtle one, and that's he mirrors your behavior and your energy. Now, if a guy starts using the same language that you do, the same little quirky phrases, or you find in conversation that he just sort of like mirrors back to you the same sort of energy that you do, maybe he starts picking up the same habits that you have in the morning, and you just feel this growing sense of commonality and connection with him in the way that you two are engaging, it means that subconsciously he's connected really deeply with you and he's emotionally investing in you, and he wants to mirror back to you the way that you're being with him because he's falling for you. It's a really common thing, and I'll notice when I'm in a relationship, I will start talking. If I'm really into my girlfriend, I will start talking like her, and she'll start talking like me because we'll start mirroring each other. So just listen for that. And if you guys are using the same phrases and you feel like almost like 2 peas in a pod in the way that you're showing up, it's a really good sign. Number 6 is another really fun one, and that's he creates inside jokes and secret codes with you. Now, this is going to be when you're with somebody and you start to feel like you almost have your own little secret language, right? Because the two of you have shared experiences together and he's always sort of referencing them, or he gives you like a funny nickname or something like that. Like I'll remember like me and my last girlfriend, we had an incredible time at a theme park, and then we started calling each other like cute nicknames based upon the roller coasters that we thought resembled each of us when we went to that theme park. So, and that was something that every time we would do that, we would just laugh because it would bring back all the memories of that beautiful experience that we shared together. So if you start using funny little secret codes in the way you talk to each other that nobody else understands and they look at you like you're weirdos, that's also an amazing sign that the two of you have a deepening love connection. And now with number 5, we're going to go a little deeper, and that's he gets curious about your why. Because it's really important to remember, attraction begins with what? But deep emotional connection gets into the why, right? Because in attraction, it's like, oh, what do you like? What don't you like? Where do you want to go? Blah, blah, blah. It's very surface level, right? Because it's that initial stage of I'm just attracted to the exterior of who you are, right? But when you really are starting to get emotionally invested, emotionally hooked in someone, you want to know why they are the way that they are. So a guy who's in that space, he's going to be asking you about your childhood, about your experiences, about your relationship, maybe your past relationships with other men, right? Going all the way back to your dad. He's also going to ask, why do you love the things in your life that you love? Why is that your vision? And then he's going to listen intently as you share those things with you and ask follow-up questions because he wants to go deeper. So if you find yourself in a connection with a guy where he keeps asking you more questions and going beneath the surface like that, it's a really, really good sign that he's emotionally investing in you and that you should keep sharing yourself vulnerably with him. Number 4 is a rock solid indicator that a man is emotionally hooked on you. And that is he remembers and brings back up to you things that you shared with him weeks ago. Now, this is a huge sign that a man is actively listening to the things that you're sharing with him, and he's deeply invested in the way that you feel. And this can be as simple as you mention how much you want to try a particular bakery, and then by the next week, there's a loaf of sourdough bread from that bakery on the counter when you get home from work. And you never asked him to do that. He just did it out of his own volition because he's spending his downtime thinking, okay, well, what did she share with me? And what can I do based upon what she shared with me that will make her happy, right? I found myself in my last relationship, I was very deeply invested in my partner emotionally. And so I would keep a note tab on my phone of just little offhand things that she would share with me that she liked or that she loved. That way, when it was an anniversary or it was date night or something, I could always take her to like exactly the type of restaurant that she wanted to go to, or surprise her with little gifts that were like specifically tied to what it is that she wanted. Like one example is she said that she loved her Easy Bake oven from when she was a little girl and she hadn't seen one in 20 years. So for one of our anniversaries, I went on eBay and I bought an Easy Bake oven and I wrapped it up and then I surprised her with it for her anniversary, and she like lost her marbles, and it was such a beautiful moment for me. So just know if a guy is actively listening and he's demonstrating to you the details of what it is that you shared with him, that is a huge sign that he is falling for you. Number 3 is a really big one, and that's he shows up for the unfun stuff. Because it's super easy to be the knight in shining armor, right? Whenever it's the honeymoon phase and everything's puppy dogs and rainbows. But when things get tough, a guy who's emotionally hooked on you, he's gonna double down and show up even more, right? And that's gonna look a lot of different ways. Like it might be if he sees that you're not feeling well or that you're pulling away, he's not gonna ignore that. He's gonna lean in and say, hey, what's going on? How can I support you, right? If a guy checks in double bonus points, if he doesn't just check in, but he asks what he can do to help, that is a guy who's emotionally invested in how you feel and he wants to make a difference in your life, right? He's gonna show up even when it's not convenient for him. I remember with my last partner, she got really, really sick and I was in the middle of a really intense work day and I immediately dropped everything to run to the store and buy her like 7 different types of medicine to try to make her feel better, because I just knew that I wasn't going to be able to focus and concentrate on my work until I knew that I had done everything I could to help her. So if a guy is showing up when it's not convenient, when it's not easy, when it's not sexy, just because he wants to make you feel better, that's a great sign that he's emotionally investing in you. And I hope you can see that as we're going, these are getting deeper, because number 2 is a doozy, and that's he starts talking about you with what if statements. Now, another term for this is future building, and it basically means that a guy is now seeing you as a potential part of his future, and he wants to start talking to you about the things that you might be doing together to sort of see how you react to it, right? So he might say, what if we moved somewhere warm someday? Would that be fun? Would you love that? Or what if we got a dog? What kind of dog would you like? So he's not quite asking you to like marry him, but he's asking you future statements, because men are fundamentally, we are future oriented, we are vision oriented, and he now sees you as a part of his future. And he kind of wants to know if you're down for the ride. So if a guy starts asking you what if statements, I invite you to play with him in that space, in that future space. I'm like, well, if we got a dog, obviously I would want to get a Boston Terrier because they are the best dogs and I had them growing up. And then he'd be like, well, I want to get a Cocker Spaniel. And then you could go back and forth and have like a playful banter about that, right? But you're talking about your future life together, which is going to make him feel much safer about you as a potential life partner. So get in there, play with him in the what if space, and see how much more he drops into his heart with you. And number 1 sign that a man is emotionally hooked on you, and this one applies to all of the other ones that I've already shared with you, is he becomes quietly protective of your emotional well-being. And this basically means that in every way that he acts and he shows up in your life, he's conscious of the way him showing up is going to make you feel. So maybe you share with him at one point that like you're not comfortable with profanity, and you immediately see his language start to shift dramatically, or that you maybe aren't really into watching mixed martial arts. And he's like, okay, well, let's watch something else. You know, you're going to notice that he's consciously kind of checking in and gauging how he's showing up and how the things you two are doing together is making you feel. And he's consistently trying to make you happy, because a fundamental thing to remember here is if a man is constantly checking in with your heart, it's because you're already in his heart. It's really important to remember that. So if you feel very seen and heard emotionally with the way that you feel by your partner, and you feel very safe, like in your body with him, that is a great sign that he's very emotionally invested in the way that you feel. So if a guy's just being protective, not just of your physical well-being, but of your emotional well-being, it's one of the biggest signs that he is emotionally hooked on you, he's fallen for you, and that he is seeing you as a long-term part of his life. And as you go through these 7 signs and you ask yourself, okay, is he emotionally hooked on me or not? The one thing I want you to come back to is he being present to my needs? Is he being present to me emotionally, physically, in all the ways? Because a guy who is emotionally investing in you, who's falling for you, he is going to look at you, he's going to see you, he's going to act with you like you are a huge priority in his life. Trust me, ladies, a man always has time for you. If he's saying he's too busy, if he's constantly distracted and not being present with you, that is a very clear indicator of his lack of emotional investment. So just know that if he is not honoring your requests for his time or his energy, and he's doing that consistently, he's probably just not your guy. And I don't want you to get attached to that guy, okay? Because there are plenty of men out there who will show up with deep presence and a deep desire to make you happy in all the ways. And if you want some support in finding that person in your life, be sure to click that link down in the description and up at the top of this video, and come along with this for Mastery of Connection. This incredible 3-week live love course is going to help transform your relationships with men from the inside out. Again, it's absolutely free. It's going to have dozens of hours of live coaching with me around every aspect of how you connect with men and everyone else in your life. So I hope to see you there. Leave a comment down below with any additional tips and signs that I may have missed, and be sure to watch this next video where I share with you 10 telltale things a man says when he is emotionally investing and falling for you. These are absolutely critical, and they will give you even more clarity around a man's emotional desires and intent with you. Have fun, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Now, to a man, his time is a sacred commodity. It's one of the most valuable gifts he has to give anyone, right? So if he is letting you know that he's loving sharing his time with you,